It started off as an interesting day with a new iPad. This iPad, the one that you guys saw me wait for all day yesterday. I got it for two reasons. Productivity, and I wanted to experiment with art. I drew a lot when I was younger, but nothing this intense. I just drew like boxes and squares and landscapes that were like subpar. Last night, I stayed up and decided to push myself and see what I could do. This is what I did. I tried something completely different, and this is what I got. And I know it's not the greatest, but it's my first ever attempt at this. And I stayed up till about 4 o'clock, which is my normal anyways. And this is what I got. I was able to trace out the image, and then I figured out all the settings, brush strokes, and the gradient and shading. This iPad is amazing. It's given me the ability to experiment with drawing that I'd never do if I had paper. This thing, it allowed me to experiment and try shading and strokes, and without the fear of needing to start over or did I mess up the paper. This was pretty damn cool. I want to show the guys at the office. So let's go out there and show them. Okay guys, you guys are my critics. I don't draw, and if I draw on anything was from high school, like shapes and landscape and stuff. Are you guys ready? Okay.
This is clean.
Yeah, this picture's really nice. Yeah, okay.
Wait, dead ass! Really?
Yeah.
Dead ass.
Yeah.
What the shit? This looks better than the ones I've seen in the city. Damn. Damn, look at that ear, dog.
Look at that ear. Hey, I was proud of the ear too.
What the hell?
I was like, damn, look at the shadows on the ear.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's me just learning for the first time. I used my finger. I didn't have the pen yet. So it's all finger work.
Yeah, the ear looks fucking nice.
The ear. You got an ear thing, huh?
Yeah. Have an ear fetish.
Not only that, his eyes look normal. Some people make them like,
wow, that's fucking
Yeah.
crazy.
that's badass.
Wait, how is that even? Holy shit, Mike, that's really good.
Thank you.
That's
Thank
really
you.
fucking good.
Thanks,
That's really
dude. Thank
good.
you.
How'd you do that with just your finger? You had to like zoom in and...
Yeah, you zoom in, and I erase so many times, doing it over and over, because it's hard to trace your finger, because it also gets in the way of your eye. So you're tracing, and all of a sudden you're fucking off the line. You're like, fuck.
Wow.
Alright guys, thanks for entertaining me with my art. Appreciate the comments. And here's the steering wheel. Okay, time to actually get some work done. I've got to troubleshoot a machine, and we'll get that fixed. We can print some really cool stuff. This is one of our old machines. It was unfortunately poorly maintained across the years, so now we're fixing it. Once we fix it, we can actually print some really cool shirts out of it. Here are some pillows that we've been making. Jay right here has been going ham at these. So we learned the process, and then Jay mastered it. Over here we have some posters that we printed for Claudia, also known as RST Girl. Check it out. Oh, I think Nos is here. Every 2 weeks we get a drop off from Nos. Rob, they got sour. They finished it in like 2 days. 3 days?
I think it was like, yeah.
Yeah? Nos with the drop off. They got sour. There's one more flavor coming out. I cannot wait for it. Rob, don't lie to me. Oh, it's Amazon dropping off, not UPS. Damn it. So, another day of waiting for the UPS guy. It's not the UPS guy, it's the Amazon guy. I have a pen coming for the iPad Pro, because the Nipsey picture that I did was with my finger. So I really want, and I was laying down. I was telling her I was laying down in bed doing it too.
That's really hard to do. That's not easy.
I don't know better.
Well, to me it is.
I don't know better. So if I can get the pen, I can draw even better. That's the hopes. Anyways, let's get back to work and get distracted again. Oh look, Subaru! Hello, Subaru. Hey, baby. Hi, cutie.
Popcorn.
Popcorn, you eating popcorn?
Yeah.
Where? Let me see. Yum. What's up, guys, and welcome to Mike Wynn's Tech Review. not really. But I did want to show you guys these things because people were asking online about which case to get for the iPad Pro. Now, this is not a tech channel, but I just want to show you what I got because it's super important to me because this is my tool. Really quick, bear with me. You guys ready? Set, there you go. First up, you guys got the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio. Coming in at $190. Yeah, that's kind of expensive. For you ASMR guys. That's ASMR for you. I'm just kidding, guys. I know some of you guys love ASMR. Okay, my phones are all going off right now. I'll open this up. ASMR. Keyboard. Alright guys, you can take the iPad and just gonna line it up right there and it should connect in and your keyboard should be just like this. Fold it up, boom, and now we've got a keyboard. So Face ID myself really quick and that's what I have right here. Here is the keyboard for the iPad Pro 2.9 and if I open, let's say a web, let's open my notes really quick. Open up the notes and I'm just gonna type, hello everyone, how are you? It's okay. It feels not like a traditional keyboard, but it's nice, enough. Now if I were to put it away, nice and sturdy. If I would put it away, let's see, boom, there we go. Ready to go, take to work. Let's try the next one. All right, this one is actually a random brand from Amazon called Lubor? I have no idea. Good reviews, I'll link everything on the bottom, but this one was only $57. Way cheaper than the Apple one. All right, let's see what it looks like. Definitely a lot clickier and a little bit more girth to this. Let's put the iPad in and check it out. Okay, so there is more involved in this one than the Apple version. This one has corner protection, which is kind of why I wanted it. And the closed look of this is like that. Not too much bigger from the Apple one. The open look of it. Keyboard, open it up just like, just like this. Let me show you guys something. So to put this up in a stand, it's a little bit more involved than the Apple. You gotta come down here, pop the bottom out, flip it over, and then this will come straight out as a keyboard. And you can bring it down just right about there. Your pen would sit right here. A little bit more involved in the setup, but it's actually not bad. Okay, I'm gonna unlock it for you guys really quick. Wipe up. Cool. And, oh, gotta turn it on. Okay, I just turned on the keyboard. There's a backlight, which is a huge bonus for me. All right, so there's a pairing process you have to do with this in the first place for Bluetooth. Once you pair it up, you have the keyboard operational. So you have two options. Hide the pen slot, this completely lays flat, move it up, and it's nice and perched up. So let's see. Oh yeah, this feels actually a lot better. It feels like a real keyboard, and the backlight helps a lot because I typically work at nighttime, and I think you can actually change the lights. Oh, brightness, function keys. Well, look at that. You can change the keyboard colors. Oh, fancy. Okay, so we're still talking about the $57 one. Easy to use. You've got to turn it off if you are done using it, or else it'll drain the battery. The battery lasts over a year, it says. Close it up right here, close it up there, wrap it up, and it sits about this thick. Not much thicker and not much heavier. This one right here is the Apple one. Super thin, very easy to use. Taking it out was super easy. Opening it, setting it up, very simple, very quick. You just turn it, flip it around, boom. 2 seating positions for you. You guys can use it right away. But the keyboard doesn't feel like an actual keyboard. A little mushy, and that's huge when you're typing. You guys know how to do it. When you're typing, it feels really weird if it's not right. There's no real space to keep your pen, the one that's arriving today for me. You can sit it here, but as you're walking around, it could fall out. The other case does have a spot where you can keep your pen. Final verdict on this. I like them both. One is so much cheaper than the other one. This is the Apple one. This is the Lubor one. This one is like less than 60 bucks. This one's $190. Super slim, very clean. If you guys are looking for a minimalist, clean look, this is the one. A little bit more protection, not a lot thicker. Keyboard is sick as hell, and it just takes a little bit more to set up, but that's not a huge deal at all. This one, you'll never need to charge the battery because this one charges through your iPad. This one, once a year, not a huge deal. I think I might keep this one. What do you guys think? Enough for tech review with you guys. Thanks for watching. All right, back to the regular scheduled vlog. All right, back to work, but I'm using the keyboard a lot more and I really like this one. This one is like not expensive and it's great. I'm actually using it for work right now, so I'm getting the flow of it and actually it is good. Damn, Rob, what you got there?
Shark Boy's brand new camera that he got.
Fuck, that's brand new. That's like made like yesterday.
Yeah, they just made this shit. Look at this shit.
Damn.
Okay. What the fuck is this for?
Bro, get out of here.
Wait, what is this for?
Get out of here.
Oh, it's still loaded?
Oh, get out of here. Damn, that's how the old Canon font was? Oh my god.
It looks, why does it look nice?
It is nice. It's retro, bro.
God damn.
Look at all these. Can you imagine? What the hell? There's so many buttons and screws and
What happened?
whatever we touch is gonna explode,
You
man.
guys never seen an old camera?
Nah, bro. I was made during this time.
I still have exposures.
Rob doesn't know. Rob's like, what's this extra lever?
That's the load, right?
Oh, this is the glow in dark shirt.
Yeah.
That's so denied.
This shirt scares me sometimes.
Why?
Because I walk in a dark room and I'm
In your
like,
closet, it's glowing. Yeah.
all right, let me just kill the. Oh wait, what?
Ooh. So you don't know, Rob. Okay, guys. I know I'm being annoying, but 9 stops away for the pen. Or the, what's it called? The pen or the pencil?
Pen? Pencil?
I don't fucking know. I can't wait to draw on it though. Apple pen? I don't know. Yo, this song is cool. What's up, guys?
Not much.
Hi. Hey, fist bump. Nice tattoo, man. Hi.
Thank you, man.
Come on back. All right, guys. So over here is my 68 Camaro. We got to see if this thing fits.
It sounded like you were making a commercial.
Hi guys. My name is Mike, and we're gonna see if this thing fits in here today. Come sit on my couch. Oh, it's Claudia. What's up? Oh my God. What do you think of that?
I love it.
That's badass, right?
Can you put this on my new Austin Hilly?
No. Well,
Did you see it yet?
no.
1960.
Oh yeah. I saw your post. Yeah. Look at that.
This is nice. Can you money?
Hi, Claudia.
Hey.
Lock it. Oh. You have the key looks like a GTR key.
It does?
Yeah, it's exactly the same shape.
Which one?
The GTR keys. Same shape. You got good news?
Huh?
Got good news?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Wait, they give you already?
No, I didn't know.
Shit, wait.
I was waiting for you to open it.
All right.
Hey, Rob, go ahead and chop it up, bruh. It's like Christmas. Oh,
Go.
chop it up. Oh, you know what? Let me cinematic you chopping this up.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
Fucking wand and shit. You're about to fucking grab a wand. God damn. It feels good? Is it light? Like, well, it should be light, right?
Dude, it feels like I'm handing you off like
A fucking
no.
magic.
No, here, feel it.
Oh, this is good weight. This is
It's
really
good weight.
Yeah. This ain't like super light. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not too heavy. It's like perfect. Oh yeah, this is fucking nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wait, how do you hold the pencil? Do you hold yours like this? Because I hold mine's like this.
I hold it like this. This is how I hold it.
That is? Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So I heard this is really satisfying.
Oh shit. What the fuck's going on?
Oh,
What the hell?
oh, I'm syncing it.
Connect. Oh damn, that's really fucking. That was fast.
Double tap on the Apple Pencil to switch between tools.
Double tap it? Or what did it say?
I'm out of ink.
What the hell?
Hold on. All right, Rob, let's see if this...
Oh shit. Oh. What's going on?
I don't know.
What's going on?
I don't know. Okay. Let me open a new board.
What the heck? You drew those two? Or...
No, not the other one.
Oh,
no.
okay.
You
I was like,
imagine?
wait, what the fuck's going on?
Okay, oh.
What in the heck?
Let me get my favorite pens out. Technical pen. Bring it up. So I turn off...
Well, it's fuck. Whoa, there's a lot of settings.
Oh, feels good.
Really?
Yeah. Feels good. That's the one, bro.
Damn.
Here, go ahead. Let me see your Picasso ass over here.
Let's see. Wow, that's hella accurate. Oh shit, look at this right here. I'm about to sketch some
All
shit.
meat, no potato.
No, no.
Oh, what is that? So you got some hidden talents, bro?
It's a fucking Yoshi.
Oh, it is. It's
An ugly ass
It's
Yoshi.
getting jizzed on.
Oh shit. Oh, I can do a tongue.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Damn, that's pretty cool. You like it?
Dude, yeah.
It feels like a pencil. It does not feel like you're not holding a pencil.
Wow, it's really accurate. Cause I've fuck. I had a tablet and Android and.
All right, let me see.
Damn.
Picasso, baby. Let me see your signature.
Oh, that's shitty. I already fucked up. Was that
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
This is whack,
Wow.
huh?
Here, John, sign it. I just drew a penis.
hell?
Dude. I just handed you the fucking.
Hey, hey, hey! Policia! You're left-handed?
Yeah.
Since fucking when?
Okay.
Oh,
Well,
can I sign it? God damn, left-handed. Can't record you at all.
I like this.
Wow.
How do you do a new page?
I just start gallery and just start a new page. Pick your poster. I pick poster. Why you gotta judge me?
So cheap, but
It looks so cheap. Duh!
Sign right there, the apple, that probably meant a lot.
Yeah, that's what they do.
What?
They make everything expensive because it says Apple.
Oh damn. What hair?
Whoa! What the heck? Oh, that's so weird.
Where do your signature?
If you insist.
Deadass.
Ooh, it's so weird. It like captures everything. Oh my god.
You gonna be
Looks
magic?
fire.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
It's not on all the way.
Yeah, but silver's not bad.
This looks sick.
Should I get black or silver?
No, I kind of like this. Well, I don't know. It's up to you.
I'm like indifferent.
Cause this looks clean,
Yeah.
and then with the little adapter, I didn't bring it. Little adapter is silver. So when the steering wheel's not on here,
Yeah.
it kind of goes with like these little accents.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like I'm just missing a steering wheel.
Yeah. It like blends in. This looks sick.
You
I
wanna
like this.
Mm.
I don't know. It's up to you though. If you want it to look more.
No, I kind of like it.
Stock?
I've never been like a stock looking guy. Okay. Man, the wood is so pretty. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, race car driver. The black would be very like, the black would blend in really nice though. Oh man, I'm really indifferent about it right now. And that goes there. That just looks badass.
Yeah, right? It looks sick.
But I see what you mean about the black. Like it seems streamlined.
Yeah.
Put that back on there and pretend it's on. Ooh, sex.
Jeez.
Huh?
Gotta find the hole.
Oh, premature. 5 hours later. Damn. That's a hard decision, man.
Damn, it's like up to
Yeah.
this position right here.
It's perfect for my midget ass. Damn, that's a hard decision.
Still have room if you need the booster seat.
Dude, I need like a phone book. You know what a phone book is? So it's a few hours later now, and I've been working on this thing for the last 30 minutes or so, and it's Tupac. So I'm still trying to understand shadowing. I'm not a trained artist, so I've got to figure out how to shadow things, blend it in my own style, but it's not following traditional styles of gradient because it's all pastel, multi-layered ones. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out as I go. So here goes to the learning process. Hey, are you gonna say goodbye to the vlog? Come here.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Bye, Dad.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Mom.
Can you say we really, really appreciate them watching still?
Please, my kitchen.
That sounds about right. All right, can you fist bump? Bye.